Hey restaurant owners, if another tariff headline just made your stomach drop because you know it's about to add 5 to 10% to your food cost, you're not alone. In 2026, the smartest operators aren't waiting for prices to settle. They're building restaurant supply chain resilience so tariffs, shortages, and volatility barely touch their margins. Today, I am walking you through the exact 7 strategies that let you tariff-proof your menu and keep profits stable, no matter what hits next. The 2026 Reality Check. According to the National Restaurant Association's 2026 State of the Restaurant Industry Report, 82% of operators saw higher food costs last year, and 68% specifically blamed tariffs. Food prices are still 35% above pre-pandemic levels, and 95% of operators now rank elevated food costs as their #1 challenge. Real sales growth is stuck at just 1.3%. That's why restaurant supply chain resilience and tariff-proof restaurant menu strategies have become essential, not optional. Why this matters right now? When your supply chain can absorb shocks instead of amplifying them, you get stable food costs, flexible menus, and that keep guests excited, stronger supplier relationships, and the ability to market locally sourced stories that diners happily pay more for. Operators who build resilience now are protecting margins while everyone else scrambles. Let's dive into the playbook. The 7 strategies. Strategy number 1. Map your full tariff exposure today. Go through every recipe and flag every ingredient with high import risk. Then pre-qualify at least 2 domestic or USMCA exempt alternatives. Operators who did this early in 2026 dodged the worst price spikes. Strategy 2. Accelerate local and regional sourcing. Shift core produce, proteins, and staples to domestic suppliers wherever possible. You not only sidestep many tariffs, you shorten lead times and create authentic local stories that boost guest loyalty and premium pricing power. Strategy 3. Use precision recipe costing and predictive inventory. Update cost in real time as ingredient prices move. Set dynamic par levels and auto purchase orders that adjust automatically. This prevents overbuying during spikes and eliminates waste when supply tightens. Strategy 4. Engineer menus for volatility with smart substitutions. Build every dish with 2 to 3 interchangeable ingredients. Price at maximum 3 times food cost and test limited time offers with domestic alternatives first. 75% of restaurants already changed menus because of supply issues. Make yours proactive and profitable instead of reactive. Strategy 5. Build risk-sharing supplier contracts. Move beyond simple price negotiations. Lock in volume commitments, shared forecasting, and tariff contingency clauses. Strong partnerships often mean you get priority supply when others are left waiting. Strategy number 6. Leverage real-time analytics and daily visibility. Track landed cost, supplier performance, and various alerts in one dashboard. For multi-unit operators, benchmark across all locations so you catch problems early instead of after the damage is done. Strategy number 7 is standardize resilience across every location. Centralize supplier approvals and menu specs while still allowing site-specific tweaks for local opportunities. This gives you consistency at scale without losing agility. Here is a 30-day implementation checklist. Want to get started fast? Here's your exact action plan. 1. Audit every recipe for tariff exposure this week and list alternatives. 2. Pre-qualify 2 new domestic suppliers for your top 5 costliest items. 3. Update recipe costing and set dynamic par levels. 4. Test 2 to 3 menu substitutions on limited time offers and track sales. 5. Review contracts with your top 3 suppliers and risk-sharing terms. 6. Set weekly analytics reviews and variance alerts. 7. Roll out standardized protocols across all locations and measure results after 30 days. Follow this and you'll see measurable cost stability before the next tariff headline drops. If you want all of this without spreadsheets and chaos, HubPlate makes restaurant supply chain resilience effortless. Its logistics hub gives you precision recipe costing, auto purchase orders, real-time par level tracking, and multi-location command, all at a flat $99 per month per location, with zero transaction commissions, full offline resilience, and bring your own device freedom. Ready to tariff-proof your menu and protect your margins in 2026? Click the link in the description to book a free demo at HubPlate.app and see how it works in your operation. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more no BS restaurant strategies every week, and comment below. What is one supply chain risk that is keeping you up at night right now? I read every comment. Thank you for watching. Now go build that resilient supply chain and keep those margins strong. I'll see you in the next video.